Hello, this is a message for you that have been waiting to join my Spreadsheets membership. I am so excited. I don't even have words. If you're one of the people interested, thank you so much. I never thought that I would have people interested to learn from me, wanting to hear more about what I have to say or to teach. And I am so excited that I get to teach about something that I'm really passionate about, which is spreadsheets. And it goes beyond that, okay? This is not a membership that it's going to be filled with technicalities that, you can learn from any YouTube video really, or if you Google a formula, how to use formula X in Google Sheets, you get plenty of results on the web. This is going to be about one hands-on learning experience. I'm going to show you exactly my brainstorming process, how I come up with the ideas to create a spreadsheet, because I like to solve problems. Okay, that's my jam. Spreadsheets help me do that. Automate things and boost productivity. That's my goal, that's my jam, that's what I do. And I want to show you my whole brainstorming and thought process and how I create my spreadsheets differently than what it's already being offered out there. Okay, so this video is already long enough. I'm going to let you go, and I hope to see you on the inside. Oh, and do not forget, go to spreadsheetables.com, download my 1,500 spreadsheet ideas. Just grab that freebie. I put together over 1,500 spreadsheet ideas that you can create. It's being sorted into micro niches. There's a spreadsheet for everybody in there. It's just an idea. It's not the spreadsheet itself. If you want to learn how to create those spreadsheets and make awesome spreadsheets, join the membership. Now here's the deal. This $9 a month is only valid for the first 200 people. And I am speaking at a really big online summit this weekend. So it's gonna be a bloodbath. No, I'm just kidding. No, but seriously though, I'm going to save these spots for the first 200. After that, I'm gonna close the doors. I want to fine tune everything. I want to see how my students are doing. I want to be able to give everybody attention that they deserve. That's the deal. And then after that, when it reopens again, it's going to be at $19 a month. So the price will go up if you're not the first 200. And if you are the first 200, that's a lifetime price. You pay $9 for as long as my membership is open. You also get access to a private Facebook group. We can brainstorm things together. We can troubleshoot things together. If you have any questions about membership, just tag me on there and I will get back to you as soon as I can.